how to become friends on Facebook without sending friend request. So if you don't want to send friend request and if you want to be friends, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then you can go to the search icon which is on the upper right, and you can simply search for a random person that you would like to add them as a friend. And after searching for a random person, so I'll be choosing this person. So after choosing a random account that you would like to add them as a friend, so here after choosing that account, here you will have two options, right? One is add friend and the another one is message. So if you simply tap on add friend, then that person will receive a request from you. But if you don't want to add them as a friend, and if you want to just simply talk with them, then you can go for message option which is on the right side, and tap on that, and it will automatically take you to that chat. So from here you can simply message that person or chat with that person without sending the friend request. So that's it. That's how you become friends with someone without sending the friend request. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.